Crude oil last week, yet again taking the support from the crucial milestone, crucial support level 61.8, 61.5. We have seen a good bullish move. What we had seen here is a breach beyond 66. So can we say that this is the time for oil to show a reversal? Are we looking forward to a move towards 68 or in fact 70? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading crude oil in the coming week? We're gonna see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is a weekly forecast. I do share my twice a day updates for crude oil, first with the Asia and Europe session, next before the US session, such that you can take an informed decision and profit throughout the day across geographies. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Towards the end of the update, I'll be sharing the trading levels, so watch till the end. Let's start first. Look at the weekly charts. What oil has done here. See, it has formed definitely a good base here at 61.8, 61.5. Look at the move, drop, retracement, then a drop towards the support, then a retracement. Higher highs are seen here. Now it is pretty crucial for oil to trade beyond 66 mark, which it has already breached last week, but it is closed at 65. So I'll wait again for oil to trade above 66, and this time staying above 66. What we are looking at, possibility is there that we will see it hitting 67.2 or in fact 68 mark. Now, coming week is going to be pretty important for crude oil here. It might, in fact, deliver a gap up here, but things are getting slightly overbought. Why? So, because see, we have seen already very good rise last week, right from the lows at 61.8, 61.5. We have seen a move towards 66 here, and thus on the smaller time frames, though it is getting slightly overbought, but on the weekly and daily time frames, it is lot much of room on the upside left. So, coming week is going to be very, very crucial here. Yes, the new month is also going to begin here. Look at the formation, drop, retracement, drop. I will definitely watch out for the coming week. A move beyond 68 should confirm that it is trying to rise more, and then I'll be looking forward to a move above 70, which will confirm a complete reversal. What will happen then? Then I will just connect this, because see, despite this breakout with the tensions rising in the Middle East, we have seen oil forming a good base here and showing a bullishness here. With the war and the tensions, definitely we have seen it is spiking strongly, but it has erased all the gains, and now it is back on this track. So you can connect this drop, retracement, drop, or you can say now it might scale towards the highs here. What does this mean for us? Are we looking at 80 in the next few weeks? That is what we are going to see here. Now, see, right now the moving averages are trading with divergence and bearishness. It is pretty important for oil to trade above 70. Stochastic, if you look at, see, it has also hit an oversold zone. It has stayed there for weeks and now looking upwards. See this move? It has bounced back right towards the overbought. See this move? It is right, bounce back towards the top. Again, you can just follow history here. And this could be no other exception. It is dropped toward the bottom and now looking upwards. Good sign for the bulls. Look at the MACD here. Now, MACD is 1 point. See, this is just crossed over. You can see slight greener shoot here, which indicates possibly this could be the beginning of a bigger rise in oil prices. Notice this wave here, and see, this is almost staying at the bottom. Right from creating triple bottom, we have seen a retracement. Now it has retraced, and this time let's wait for a bigger breakout. For the next few weeks, you have to remain extremely cautious with the oil prices, specifically on the buy side, as it might deliver a breakout move on the upside. RSI is also now looking upwards. Let's look at the daily. Now, on the daily charts, I only have one worry point. See, first, it has created, this is not a worry point, this is a good thing that it has created a stronger support here at 61.8, 61.5. It has created a very strong base now for oil to break below, because only and only if it trades below 61.8, 61.5 zone, you can say that oil prices are turning bearish. Else, right now, it is not showing any such sign. Now, let's have a look at the last few candles. Bullishness here. Also look at this. See, rise, then a quick pullback. Rise, then a pullback. Now, this could be another rise which could call for a pullback here. You have to watch out here. And thus, first two trading sessions are going to remain important. Notice what it has done for the last few sessions. First of all, the moving averages are converged here, the 5 and 20 period crossing over. And now the 5 period is offering it a very, very good support, which suggests at least till towards 64.4, and 64 zone is not taken. You have to be careful with the sells, and only bearishness in oil is if you see it is staying below 63. 63, 64, which was the resistance zone, now is going to remain the prime support. Now see higher lows here, and notice the bands have, or you can say, were running parallels till now. Now it is starting to expand, which suggests oil prices are going to put pressure on the bands to expand. It has narrowed for a while now. What has happened here might get replicated here, which means a possible bigger move is awaited. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI rising here. On the 4-hour charts, look at the move: rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement, bigger rise, bigger retracement. Yet it is respecting higher lows and higher highs. Very, very crucial for oil to trade below 64.5, 64, 63.5, and then 63. These levels are very crucial for oil to break below. A move below 63 will confirm a possible down move and a breakdown here. Moving averages crossed over, trading with divergence, staying bullish. This confirms that possibly the next move is going to take it further high. The next move might take it towards 67.2 or in fact 68 levels. Opening of the coming week is going to remain pretty crucial. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD has seen a good highs. It is trying to converge here. Though it is not that it cannot rise further. Look at the move here. Look at the move here. Yes, it has still lot much of room of it on the upside available. RSI right now looking downwards, which is a slight bearish sign here. Now, one point which I would like to share on the weekly charts here before I move on to the monthly charts. Look at the move what oil has shown. Since the highs at 120, we have seen it eroding almost 50%, more than 50%, hitting the lows at 55. Now, if you look at the move, just connect the dots, drop, retracement. Since then, it has traded bearish. And now, any point of time, oil trading beyond 70, 72.4, 75, 80. That could be the beginning of a next round of rise here in oil prices. This is, I am forecasting for the midterm to long term here. That is, next 3 to 6 months are very crucial for oil. Now, let's move to monthly. On the monthly charts, one point which is crucial here is the crossover in the moving averages, which is on the sell side, which makes this zone as a pretty crucial resistance zone above 70 and 80. This is the zone oil needs to break beyond, because see, it has taken months for oil to cross over on the sell side. After the crossover here, post COVID, we have seen this is the first time oil crossing over on the sell side. It is not that it cannot reverse from here, it can. Let's also have a look at the slight historical movement here. Right from 150, we have seen the highs here. Right from 150, it is dumped sharp. Since then, just connect this. First, retracement wave, then the lows, then lower highs, lower lows. Now connect the lows here. Now connect the highs here. You can see it has got a very broad, very broad flag formation. And this is definitely slightly bearish, as we are seeing lower highs here every time. Now, second thing here with the drop, since the drop, see, ideally this has posted a reversal sign here. Since the reversal, it is forming a nice flag, and this is breached the preceding lows. This is a slight worry point. So this is actually a bear trend, and thus it is pretty crucial for oil to break beyond 80 now, because beyond 80, what we are looking at, we are looking at a massive up move here. Stochastic rising, the MACD at a bottom here, and it has been almost 3 years now since the crossover, and the MACD is staying bearish. Look at the move here. You can see it has delivered a good wave. Time for it to start showing a reversal, but it is right now not showing any signs of reversal. Also see, it has started off the year at around 70, 72.4. It might try to close off the year in green, which is a possible indication that oil prices might try to close the year above 75. Possibility is there. Stochastic is showing a rise. MACD is anyways bearish. RSI is staying flat. So looking at this, time for me to give you the trading levels here. And before I give you the trading levels, if you're willing to learn this art of trading, do not miss to join my mentorship batch, where you get all the tools, techniques, and strategies so that you can identify profitable trades with ease, where you can trade with all the learnings that you impart in this mentorship batch will definitely help you trade profitably throughout your life. Do not miss this learning journey. Reach out to me for queries. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. You can re-attend the live classes as many times as you want. You will also get recordings of the sessions so that you can refer to the recordings and learn accordingly, do practice and attain expertise. And yes, you'll also be part of our students alumni channel where we discuss all the trades and trends. Reach out to me for query. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. Those looking forward to just trade as per the signals can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Again, connect with me for any of your queries. And yes, it is also equally important for you to have a trusted partner where you can trade safely, which offers you Sep-3 account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, easier transactions, and easier withdrawals from across the globe. You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. First is where you should buy. I will recommend you to buy here at 65.25 itself. Expect here 65.5, 66. Then 66.6, 67.2, 68. And this could happen in a quick move. Oil prices might move higher. Beyond 68, it is going to be 69.3 and 70. Beyond 70, it is going to be 72.4 and then 75 levels very soon. This is also applicable for the next few weeks, as in how oil prices move above 68 and 70, more bullishness will prevail here. On the down, now as we have discussed till 61.8, 61.5, you should not be treating this as bearish. And now how low it can get? See, ideally you have to sell only below 64.5. Expect 64 first, 63.6, 63.3, 63. Now this is the zone we have always been tracking these numbers. 63, very good support, and then 62.4. If at all it decides to trade below 62.4, stay bearish for 61.8 and then 61.5. Below 61.5, it is going to be 60 and then 57.8 and 55 levels should arrive. Chances for which appears to be less. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great, profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.